ọdịnala bụ ụzọ ndụ ịma na o nwere olu na-eti mkpu na-asị ụmụ Igbo chigharịa ụmụ Igbo chigharịa kwa mbọsị ọ na-eti n'ụtụtụ n'abalị ọ nọ na nkụzi Eze-Ana Ugochi tubelu onye ọma na oraifite onye mgbasa ozi ọma ọdịnala gabadị Eze-Ana Ugochi tubelu onye ọma na-eje eme ọnụ ọdịnala bụ ụzọ ndụ gabadị Eze-Ana Ugochi tubelu onye ọma na oraifite onye mgbasa ozi ọma ọdịnala gabadị Eze-Ana Ugochi tubelu onye ọma na-eje eme ọnụ ọdịnala bụ ụzọ ndụ gabadị Eze-Ana ga-adị Ugochi tubelu ga-adị Ugochi tubelu tempo ọ ya dị maka na eziokwu anwụ chacha ndị okenye ga-anyị front and back ndị oche anyị front and back fada sikala aka onye ụmụ Igbo si anyị rapụ nke anyị na nke feka mma ulu Baịbụl bịa akwụkwọ akụkọ ebe mmadụ achịcha ọbụla ụka bịakwa mana Ugochi tubelu ekpe na-adịsị n'ọma mme ọdịnala ọma nkwụchacha oge ọbụla ọ na-eti ọ nọ na nkụzi Chukwu abịa ma gbaa gị ume ọdịnala ya dị ụmụ ọdịnala Igbo abịakwa m n'oge awa nke eziokwu oge anyị ji awa eziokwu niile agba maka ndị ọmụta abụ izizi ha na-afụ m afọ m bụ Ogbuefi Eze-Ana Ugochi tubelu na oraifite abụ m onye isi nchụaja na Ugochi tubelu ọdịnala temple nke dị na oraifite na Anambra steeti abụkwazị m onye isi nchụaja na ọdịnala restoration prayer ministry bụrụkwazị onye mgbasa ozi ọdịnala Igbo. My mission is to help people live better life. N'ụbọchị taa n'oge awa nke eziokwu isiokwu anyị ji bịa bụ the importance of building personal relations with animistic beings. Onye bụ isiokwu anyị ga-akọwara gị uru ọ bara maka na once you build personal relations with animistic beings, the animistics, then believe in me, you will never run into any spiritual danger. Again, maka na esi m oru wee bịa ụbọchị taa. All a life-changing topic just for you to have firm idea of what is happening in the spiritual realm. But before I get n'iru, echefuna na ụbọchị Monday, ụbọchị Thursday na Ugochi tubelu na temple bụ ụbọchị anyị ji enwe ministration, anyị ji ekwubi okwu maka na ike dị n'okwu ọnụ. Ọkwa ụbọchị anyị ji enwe counseling. Ị nwere ike book appointment with me to be here yourself. Then ọkwa niile nọ n'ebe ọbụla under the sun, you can connect yourself to aja na ọfọ na nkwubi okwu anyị na-ekwubi n'isi ndị enyi anyị, friends of the temple and our partners, and anyị na-alụ ọrụ mmụọ dị iche iche all over the globe. Then nke a bụ ihe ị ga-ama. Nke ọzọzi bụ echefuna na aja anyị na-achụ kwa ọnwa nke ọnwa Febụwarị ka na-aga n'ihu. Anyị ga-achịkọta na Febụwarị 19th. Ụbọchị ahụ a ga-achụ aja dị iche iche, bụkwazi anụ dị iche iche nke ụdị na-eburu wee mesara aka. Nwekwara ike ịbịa sonyere anyị n'ụbọchị ahụ. Nke a bụ ihe ị kwesịrị ịma. Then nke ọzọzi bụ ka anyị gaa n'iru n'isiokwu anyị ji bịa n'ụbọchị taa. Yes, isiokwu anyị ji bịa bụ ọmadị too long, but achọrọ m ka ihe ite go straight to the point. Sonyere m ka ị gee ya ọchị ọfụma. Gịnị bụ animistics? Enwelu in the spiritual plane, enwelu the throne of the spirits. The throne of the spirits ana Igbo akpọrọ ya ana mmụọ, ana n'ebe ndị mmụọ bi. Yes, the plane of the spirits. Now, where the highest point every matured human spirit will end up. Ogige nke aṅụrị ebe ndị ichie nọ. Ebe ọ ga-abụ ịnọrọ, be conscious of who you are and be able to further creation by helping doing one or two in order to make the entire creation a better place. Yes, don't call it paradise. So, nke abụọ nke abụọ ị na-agbaratazi from there. Onwelo the realm akpọrọ the animistics, the realm of all that realm animals, yes, originated from. Yes, what are those animistics? Animistics are those things, those beings, those elements. Yes, ụfọdụ nwere ike ha appear to you. They might appear to you as spirits. They might appear to you as half human, half animal. Ị na-ene anya na social media enwere ike mgbe ụfọdụ ịfụ ka ndị mmadụ tụbatalụ picture, presumed pictures of mermaids, water sprites. They are all animistics. Minus that one, and there are other animistics from every realm. Yes, and the cardinal point, 4 cardinal points, and animistic symbol of those those cardinal points, like the fire elements, the air element salamander. One of the air elements is called salamander. Yes. But attached to water element, with the water sprites, with the mermaids and the rest of them. You understand? Local land elements. The land elements, they are in charge of growing rocks, taking care of the land, and the rest of them, growing the land, and the rest of them. They are the earths. The earths grow plants and the trees and the rest of them. Why gnomes? The gnomes take care of the land. So the elemental beings that take care of the entire creations and the fountains of powers. So I'm talking about today. Today's lecture is to tell you what is happening in the animistic realm. There's human spirit as spirits because we originated from the spiritual realm, from the spiritual plane. Then why the animals originated from the animistic realm plane? So can use the simple terminology for you to understand it. Now, those animistic, do you know the difference between human being spirits and the human being and animals? Both human beings and the animals have the same anatomy. There is no difference between the human anatomy and the animal anatomy. In the biology, yes. So, man, I have a man you able to come and over the spirit, because man originated from the spiritual realm. Man was given opportunity. Yes, any man opportunity. Come man, where the abolo freedom. I will one man with a conscience. Any man of freedom to decide what is good and what is bad, and to follow whatever he or she decides to follow. That freedom, and when any other beings, any of those freedom, they from the mystic down, one on danger there. And on now that freedom now any would the spirit power. Understand? On now with the power any matter, we say matter. That Genesis 1 from 27, I go and dominate the world and rule the world. So we are given power at the Koberechi, rule and dominate the entire creation. Man, those animistic such power. Those animistics, here now guy they have the instincts. Yes. Ako, we can do. And that akawa, that aka come to do habo has link with natural, with the intuition, with the natural forces. So with that natural forces, so they depend largely on communication with the animistic forces. So ha na-ege ntị ihe mmụọ na-edu ha gwara ha. They obey. Do you know why I don't joke with the sacrifice to those animals and animistic? You know why? They are purer than man. Man nwere ike ị na-enyere man aka, na-enye ya ego, na-emeri ihe ọma dị iche iche. O nwere ike ọ sịrị na ana ya akara aka, ị gara anụ ka ndị mmadụ na-ebi na ana ha akara aka, ị na-ajụ uche akara aka. Ị na-ajụ uche akara aka a jobless man, akara aka a jobless woman. Mana that's human. Human do na obi ọjọọ, and the heart of a man feel evil. You got that? Even both the giver and the receiver. I didn't see no one didn't get mad here. When I were on to your motive the bad. Yes. It was about the pardon and didn't receive your motive the bad one on our job. Yes. So do you know why I normally like to go to the stream and other elements, offer my sacrifice? You know why? Those fishes and those other animals, being and many, their minds are very pure. Believe in me, they will never have a mind. Maybe I didn't have a Hageri Hama Ijibia. Makanaka is Yokuna Hama, no Haja Kijibia. Nkebe is Yokuna Hageri, says Ayagas. Example, yesterday I went to the river stream. Bia never he's in the bosom and by Pomoku, Poko all the water elements, Poko the water beings, all the animals. No Ogbuefi Eze-Ana Ugochi to I'm Iloma, or Campbell, like yesterday Iloma. So I'm Maratawa, and me would go Walunzunji, Antonzu, Weredo, Tuedo. Agwa Father Eze-Ana Baratago. A what is Yamo, he on the only cool biscuit, don't want to kill whatever. I normally have cabin biscuit. So only one of my make it say all, but we would cabin and Biana and both for the other test, maybe popcorn and rest of them. Biana said Eze-Ana I be done to me. Tobania, believe in me, you start seeing fishes and large ones at that. See all manner of water animals start coming out to feast on it. Now, if you have Funeza and the water that time, they knew that this is abroad particles than none. Though they knew that this thing they're feeding on is not as normal as those earthworm they normally get from the Nanolo. So it's a special food. So whatever they're eating, they will say God Almighty. Ihe ọbụla Eze-Ana bụ n'obi wee bịa ibemere saraka ya gazieri. Do you know why I love themselves, their own so much? Their heart is very pure. Their soul is very pure. With pure mindset and devotion. Man, a human being will keep on a beggy in Eriaka. Oh, well, he got one nose of mother bear or Joe in America. So, all the obvious now, you are just more Kagaga, Kayan Key and mother. Heart of man is full of evil, both the giver and the receiver. So you can human being freedom to decide good or bad and decide the agriculture you want from good or bad. So but those animals, they will listen and obey the intuition, the instinct. They obey the forces in a guy they have. So they are more of royal and obedient to the natural forces. So they are more connected and linked with natural forces than human. Because human of nowadays is no longer paying attention to career with the wish of the Almighty and the natural forces. Yes, because if you love God Almighty, keep His commandment. That 10 commandments, keep them from beginning to end. Then you'll be able to be at peace with laws of nature because you have already obeyed the creator of the whole universe and you'll be blessed. So what is happening is that for the fact that human beings are no longer paying attention to the natural laws, that closeness, ndị mmadụ na-anụ onu nkata ụmụ anụmanụ na-akpa. ndị mmadụ dị more connected with their evolution. That ị nwere ike ịpụta mgbe gburugburu ị nwere ike na-apụta ọ bụrụ ụkwụ kpọrọ gị, ya evolution agwaghị okwu. Ị nwere ike o chenji ya ebe ahụ ọ kagburu ije ọsị na ya ma ejezi ketara ya. Oge mmadụ na-aṅa ntị to ihe mmụọ kwuru and intuition. Mana ụwa kịta ndị mmadụ adịghị agasị ntị n'ihe mmụọ maka ihe mmụọ ya na-agbakọdozi mmadụ azụ. But those animistic are still loyal to the natural forces. Therefore, they will never go astray or nwụọ ọnwụ ifele. Let me give you an example. From the ancient time, remember, enwere ọtụtụ mgbe ọ ga-abụ na o nwere ihe chọrọ ime an animal. Animal is both of fear than human being. Ka mmadụ ofu atụ. O nwere onye a na-akpọ Saul of Tarsus, nke emesiala ndị ụka wee mee ya St. Paul of Tarsus. Mgbe ọ nọ wee mọdara ka ọ bụ mgbe ọ nọ na-egbusi ndị mmadụ ndị niile kwenyere n'okwukwe ya otegbuo ha. So ihe ọ na-eme is that act. Ọ na-agọ ya mọdara ka ọ bụ. So on one of these occasions ọ na-eje Damascus to go and kill other human beings. I don't care the belief you believe in or whatever you believe in, whether you're a Christian or you are which religion on earth. Yes, what I care is love. Yes, so I'm not interested or hate you because of your religion. No, what I'm interested is the love you radiate in the entire universe. How do you show love to your fellow man? That is what I care for. So, but this Tarsus, this young man of Tarsus, called Saul, went normally go around to kill people. On this particular day, he's planning to go to Damascus. On his way, he normally move around with a horse, an animal. So, coming to a point before Damascus, the horse, because the horse is connected to the natural forces, because the horse is the animal, is an animal. They are connected with the animistic realm. They are connected with the animistic beings. So, Bob that's all those animistics that are guarded them, and more honey never than the catch. Oh, now abundant do about the mama. Man, all how we de Buddha, they are intercede and they going here and there. They are messengers. So if you are in a good book of them, believe in me, you never go astray. They will always bring message. If there is any trouble coming, if there is any wrath, anger of the gods, they will inform you beforehand. So it's very important for you to build personal relation with them. So, but you must be inwardly alert. Yes. So, but Saul, because of his heart is filled with blood of murdered people, therefore, his spiritual eyes is already crowded with blood. So he couldn't even perceive what is happening in the spiritual realm on their way to Damascus. But the horse he was traveling with saw it and stopped, because they saw the horse have already seen a being, an animistic being, standing in their front, and they commanded that they should go back. A protective being. So suddenly, when the horse stopped moving, Saul of Tarsus began to beat mercilessly the horse, the animal, for disobedience, without knowing that the animal is seeing what he cannot see. And he keep on mesmerizing the animal. And that act of committing more atrocity upon atrocity angered the being. and the big being made him blind. You know what I mean? So that's one apart. Let me use another instance. And with so many instances where it's on record that animals actually save lives of people. And when we kept that and use the other time. Na this thing na dolphin. As one about dolphin. Now as one about dolphin. Nwere lots of people ndị mmiri na ocean na dolphin a save ha were nkwue buru them buru ha bịa n'elu a na drop ha enwego so many lives na-ege some documentaries ya afịa ọ na-eme from time to time. They are not ordinarily as you have seen them. Some of them are moving with the shape of animal, but actually they are beings. Oh God. So whenever you are closer to them, you never go, they will never allow you to go astray. And they will never allow you to run into challenges. You know why? We human beings, once you are closer to nature, you build personal relation with forces of nature. Believe in me, they will never allow you to run into deep challenges or into catastrophe. They will never. You know why? They normally see, they have the ability to see all those catastrophes when they are still in the animistic coming. Don't forget that when Almighty Father created the entire universe, He first created those animals. They are here. The animistic are here, dominating. Before God Almighty in His infinite mercy decided to send human spirit to be Lord over all the entire creation. But how are we faring? Are we really using our potential as human spirit for the benefit of the entire creation? Or are we abusing it? That is what we should ask ourselves. Yes. But we are abusing it. We are abusing it. So what am I saying in essence? What I'm saying in essence is this. What I'm saying in essence is this. Learn how to build personal relation with those animistics by showing them love. By showing them that you are a friend to them. Believe in me, if you stop seeing those animals as with hatred, they will stop to be harmful to you. I remember when I was in India, you see them, they don't kill snake. They don't. I don't even know that those wild animals can be friendly the way they are. At a stage, I was always bypassing elephants, name them monkeys, name them snakes around, because in that northern province of Kulu Manali, northern India, they don't kill those animals. You can only kill animals if that animals is become a threat to your life. That is the only way you kill. But if not, they are not harmful. Some of those animals that people are saying that are so harmful, there are some communities you will go because of peace accord between the inhabitant of that particular place and those animals. You see that animal will never be a dangerous animal to them or endanger their lives. In my own community to date, we have agolas that is floating around the entire Ismail. That is why in my own village, we don't kill lion and we don't answer Ogbuefi, because the ago is one of the symbol of the gods. It's one of the symbol of the animistics in our community. So they are not harmful. Even if you are anywhere and you maybe late in the night, you call upon Ago to come and escort you home. Believe in me, Ago will escort you home. If you don't have spiritual eyes, you will notice that there is leg that is following you back home. But people that have spiritual eyes, used to see it physical. The same thing. So I am a living witness. I witnessed those animals very close to human in India, Kulu Manali, northern India. My neighbors again, even in my place, we don't kill a python. And python is not dangerous to us. It's not harmful to us. You understand? So this is our agreement with the ancestors. So whenever you are closer to animistic, you can never run into challenges. And again, in our place, those if AK visits you, there is a immediate reason. Yes. Why? What? There must be something that brought it. It's to call the other animistics. So, and if you pay attention and understand their mission, believe in me, they will be there to warn you beforehand. Let me give you an example again. Let me use recent event that happened in Turkey yesterday. The earthquake that hit almost 8.9 magnitude of earthquake happened in Turkey. But hours, long hours before the time, there is this dog is over internet. This particular dog was seen standing by the roadside where lots of movements, vehicles passes by. And if you listen to that dog barking, you will agree with me that this is not ordinary barking. This one is to warn people that catastrophe is coming. But because of the inwardness of human beings has been bastardized, the inner power and the inner spiritual eyes is no longer open. So most of people did not figure it out, knowing fully well that there is something catastrophe that is about to befall their nation. Let me tell you, if this thing is a personal warning to the household where that owns the dog would have been inside the compound and barking. And believe in me, this particular barking has it's very unique. It's not ordinary dog barking of whoa, 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 no. Yes. If it's barking the compound of owner, and remember, in Turkey, developed world is not the way it is. So they don't have dog that is rotating around without having any owner. So this dog must have left the house of the real owner and moved straight to the major highway to show that the message he was passing is not only for his owner. If the message is to save the life of his owner, he would have been in the owner's compound back here. But he disengaged himself to the main road, backing, to show them that this is what will happen, affect everybody. National is a nationwide thing. That is why that particular girl stood on the highway where people going to different directions in Turkey passes by. I believe that some people will code it because that earthquake is not the first time earthquake is happening in Kenya, in Turkey. Yes, and once earthquake is about to happen or there is a warning for earthquake, you don't need to stay under the house. Yes, you know why? Because staying under the house, under a roof, will endanger your life the more. The people should gather in an open place where breeze, natural forces passes by. With that, you are safe. But staying under any erected edifice, then on the ground, is so dangerous. Because vibration of that earthquake, the magnitude can collapse any building. So if you got the warning early enough, you make sure you stay away from any building at all. Maybe go to an open field, maybe go to a garden. Yes. I'm sure that some people got the warning. The dog was trying to pass to entire citizen. Yes. Because to show you that dog, somebody is there, maybe videoing the dog. to show you that something is about to happen. So what am I saying? Pay attention to those animals and animistics. Build personal relation with them. Believe in me, you will never go astray. Show them love. Makana ụmụnnụnụ nke igwe na-azụ bi na mmiri. All those animals. Ha nwere obi ma ọ bụ ọba. Mana Chukwu nna nke igwe na-azụ ha nri using human being. So when you key yourself into becoming a helper to those animistics, those animals, you start to benefit a lot. But once you see them and they don't care, they are not showing them love, believe in me, that love they will show you back by informing you, warning you beforehand of any catastrophe that is about to come. Because I told you before in my previous lectures that before anything will happen in this God's material, it must have taken on form in the spiritual realm. For spiritual realm keep on coming to the world of animistics. Then from the world of animistics to ethereal realm and to the gross material. You know what? So what you must pay attention is try and build personal relation with all the elements, elemental beings, by offering sacrifice, building personal relation with them, so that you and them will build what I call PR, personal relation. And I believe in me, we have my Meggy. Yeah, guys, yeah. In the next video, to Sari and Dozo. Opening will add you and Kuzia, Kuzita. Send them message in WhatsApp. Mobile talk about our family name. Send them message in WhatsApp 0805 78 37 672. I repeat 0805 78 37 672. In the next video, to Sari and Dozo. Now, how to work and get premium in only carrying the Sinaki. Equal more concourse in the relation I know Gawan case you. They don't know and they don't need. See for my mela, my walking my wife. Ask him, Maka Yemerai. Ask him more. Kiho Makandanjalun catch all the elemental beings, all the animistics. Be of great help to us. Kai be the Yarimai. Karimai, he couldn't put a quarter. Ka mgbe ọbụla enwere ihe mgbu na ihe ibare na ọ gaghị afụ anyị na ọ na-eme n'ihu na anyị ga-anọ n'azụ, ọ na-eme n'azụ na anyị ga-anọ n'ihu, ọ na-eme n'ihu na azụ na anyị ga-anọ n'etiti, maka na ejiri ọnwa bụ dibịa eme mbụ. N'aha Chukwu Okike nke pụrụ ime ihe niile, ayọ ma ayọ kwubi okwu n'isi ndị niile ndị enyi anyị all over the globe, ebe ọ bụ na ebe onye anọ na, ka ha nwee nchekwa na ihe arịrị na ihe mberede ama awụnata our portion. N'aha Chukwu Okike nke pụrụ ime ihe niile, onye ike niile si n'aka ya bịa. Ya gazie n'ọfọ. Nlecha vidiyo ihe ị ga-emere onye fọrọ anya wee tụsị ya. Ya gazie ka ọ dịkwa ụdị oge a echi niile bụ Tọzdee. Ya gazie.